What's up guys, Random Racer here with another tech accessory video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out something a little bit special for those of you pet owners out there, and that is the West and Willow custom artistic iPhone cases for your iPhone, as well as custom posters to go along with it. Let's check it out. Alright, so first off, let's unbox the custom dog case for the iPhone. And popping this out, we have looks like our invoice for the case, our protective sleeve, and the actual case itself. So here's a closer look at the case. It is a hybrid style case that features a polycarbonate back shell and a TPU rubber border, which you can see is also clear. You also have button covers for the volume rockers and power button, and it's quite flexible all the way around, so a good amount of draw protection thanks to the softer material, which makes it also easy to take your phone in and out of. Aside from the case, the other most important aspect, of course, is the printout of your own personal pet. In this case, this is Oliver here. You can see it's not a very big printout. I do like how it's very simplistic. It's nothing too fancy. A nice added artistic feature of the case. So one thing I like about this case is, granted, there's plenty of iPhone cases out there where you can upload a picture and the company prints it out and you're done. But the nice thing about this one is that first off, the picture of your dog in this case is digitized into this painting brushstroke effect, which is a little bit more unique than just taking a picture of your dog. And on top of that, they also cut out the picture of the dog, so the only focus on the back of your iPhone is the dog. There's no background or anything like that. So I like the artistic look and the simplicity of it. That really makes this a little bit more unique than your average custom iPhone case. Now the cool thing about the iPhone case is that they don't just do cases. You can match up your iPhone case or vice versa with a customized poster as well, which you can see here they also frame it. Like the iPhone case, the poster does come in an actual box. I just unboxed it for you to show you guys what it looks like. It's put in the shrink wrap to ensure the border and everything doesn't get damaged. And here's what the poster looks like. So you can get your poster framed in both a matte black or a white. You can see here this part is plastic, which is good because if you want to hang this up in a kid's room or something, there's no glass to shatter. And something a little bit more unique with this poster frame is that it has a nice matte finish on it. So there's no glossy reflection or anything like that, or glossy plastic to scratch up. So I do like their choice of a matte finish for their poster frames. Here's a quick look at the back side. Not much to see, but it's very professionally done. The entire back is covered up with this cardboard paper-like material. You have two rubber stoppers on the bottom to keep the poster from tilting and have a firm grip on the wall. And then you have this very high quality hanging strap, which you can see is made of metal, and the two clips are drilled right into the frame to ensure that they're not going to come off. Like I mentioned about the iPhone case, the same thing applies to the poster. Anybody can make a simple poster of their pet, print it out, frame it. But the nice thing about what this company does is that they turn your pet picture into an artistic piece that would spice up any modern decor. And again, it's not something that you can easily do at home. This is something that you need a bit of Photoshop skills to do, as well as a bit of background experience in turning digital images into this cool digitized brushstroke effect. It's not something you just slap a filter on top. Overall guys, very nice quality pieces from West and Willow. Love the concept behind it. There's plenty of customized iPhone cases and posters out there, but of course this is something a little bit different, simple, modern, and certainly something that would grab your attention a bit more than a normal picture on the wall or on your iPhone. In terms of any cons or changes I would make with any of these products, the poster itself is nice. There's no complaints about that. Very well made. It's a poster. Can't get any better than this. Taking a look at the iPhone case, however, I do kind of wish West and Willow would offer more iPhone case options rather than just a clear case. As most of you know, my biggest pet peeve with a clear case is that they do scratch up pretty easily since it's clear plastic. Aside from offering different case options, the other change I would make with this case is to have this the image of your dog to be put on the back side of the case versus the front. That way, unless it's a solid color case, in this case here, because it's clear, the clear plastic can still show off the picture of your dog while protecting it, whereas if the printout is on the outside like it is right now, it's more prone to scratching and damage and wearing out. So that's my only change I would make with the iPhone case. In conclusion, guys, if you're in the market for a customized iPhone case or poster of your dog with a little bit of extra flair to it that's unique, modern, and simple, you definitely can't go wrong with the Weston Willow products. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about the Weston Willow cases and posters, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.